Diva Production.
Welcome back to another video. So if you watched my health check video, Sam said all I needed was a filter and I'm ready for stage one. So this is probably going to be the fastest car that was just stage one. I've owned it for like a week and I'm already stage one in it. So Sam just said pretty much all you need is a filter. So come on this side, Sweet. Very simple over here. So I don't really need an induction kit. When I go stage two, I'll need an induction kit. So it's just 3 clips here. That one, and just sneak in and grab it. And like Sam, if you watched the other video, it's just a bit dirty, right? You needed a clean one, and I just need to give it better fuel, and I am ready for stage one wash. Alright, so just a quick come on, fella. Come on, fella. There we go, mate, and I think I'll release the stage one video by Saturday, because I'm getting to stage one tomorrow, but the video will be out on Saturday. We're gonna be fly. We're gonna be fly. That video here.